Okay, so what are vocal process granulomas? So I actually thought that I had never heard of them, but when I started researching, I realized that there are several names for the same thing. And what I had heard of are contact ulcers. I didn't know much about them, but I had at least heard that name before. But they're also sometimes called contact granulomas or arytenoid granulomas, and those are all just names for the same thing. So what they are, they're benign lesions that form from granulation tissue on the vocal process of the arytenoid. They're usually found on the tip of the process, but they can also sometimes be found on the lower base of the arytenoid or anywhere on that process. So they're usually on the tip, but they can really be anywhere on the process or on the arytenoid. It begins with a small ulceration, and then as you use your voice, as your vocal folds vibrate and come in contact with each other, granulation tissue forms on the opposite vocal fold. So you have an ulcer on one side and granulation on the other side. And then as you continue to talk and your vocal folds work a little bit more, they keep coming in contact with each other, and you further traumatize that injury. So they can be unilateral or bilateral, meaning they can be on one side or both sides.